Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to Lockheed Martin, which is the topic for this video. So, si Lockheed Martin is an investment platform na katulad ni Entelbest if you're familiar with it. And maybe that's the reason kung bakit ka nandito because you are searching for this. Same sila ng platform, yung mga ways of earning nila, and then same din ng may-ari. Alright, so ibig sabihin, legit din to as long as it is still paying. So make sure na i-follow ninyo, i-subscribe ninyo itong aking YouTube channel because I'll be updating you about this everyday hanggang sa probably mawala na. But hopefully magtagal din ito katulad ni Entelbest kung saan ay marami din yung kumita, maraming pumaldo, no? So, of course, alam naman nating lahat na itong ganitong mga investment platform is paunahan lang. And you should only invest what you can afford to lose because eventually mawawala din yan. So paunahan lang and then sana kumita tayong lahat. And before I proceed, I wanna let you know that I am not trying to convince you na sumali rito or pinipilit ka na sumali. At the end of the day, it's still your decision. The main purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. Na if you wanna learn more about this website, then this is the right video for you. Okay, so let us begin. Of course, ito yung kanilang marketing plan. Meron tayong mga products na katulad din ni Entelbest. So, katulad dito, merong 200 pesos which is the minimum one. Yan, so kikita ka ng 60 pesos per day. Sa 300 naman, 93 pesos. Pero for me, kung kaya natin yung 500 pesos, dito tayo kasi ang minimum withdrawal is 100 pesos. So dito, kinabukasan pwede ka na mag-withdraw, no? So para may proof of payment ka na. Ayan, so that is 160 pesos. Pero kung kaya naman natin, again, only invest what you can afford to lose. So kung medyo sobra-sobra yung pera natin, pwede tayo dito sa 1,000, that is 340 pesos. Sa 2,000 naman, 720 pesos. Now, dito sa 5,000 pataas, merong mga cashback yan. So, pwede nyo i-check kung magkano yung cashback doon sa kanilang Telegram. I think yung 5,000 nasa 2,000 pesos yung cashback. So, dito kasi sa malalaking amount, one day lang pwede mo nang mabawi yung punan mo kasi meron kang cashback and then kinabukasan may income ka which is katulad dito 1,900. So, pagpalagay natin 2,000 na cashback plus 1,900. So, almost tabla ka na in one day lang. No? So, kinabukasan, bawing-bawi na. So, normally, dun sa maliliit na amount, abutin ng 3 days bago tayo makatabla, no? So, ika-4th day, dun na yung income natin. So, dito, mas madali. Say, for example, 10,000, merong cashback, plus meron ka pang 4,100 per day. So, imagine mo, bagong labas pa lang to na website na wala pang 1 week. So, ibig sabihin, umabot pa to ng ilang araw or weeks pa. So, napakalaki ng pwede mong kitain. Say, for example, sa 15,000, nasa 6,600 pesos per day. Plus, after ka mag-invest or bumili ng product, meron kang cashback agad. 30,000, that is 14,400. Pinakamahal is itong 45,000, which is kikita ka ng 22,950 pesos. I think Entelbest nasa 20,000 plus din yung kanyang cashback dito. Big sabihin, in just one day, bawi mo na agad yung 45,000 pesos. So, again, kung kaya natin, why not? No? Diyan tayo. Now, paano nga ba sumali rito? All you have to do is go to the link under this video and then i-fill out mo lang yung makikita mo. Okay, so in my case, ang pinili ko is itong 500 pesos. Kaka-invest lang din namin kanina. Kasi kanina ko ito nakita, no? So, bagong-bago. And meron na tayong 30 pesos dyan na sign-up bonus. So, expected tomorrow, magkakaroon tayo ng 160 pesos dito. Hopefully. If hindi, i-update ko pa rin kayo. Or kung meron at makakapag-withdraw, i-update ko kayo. So, make sure mag-subscribe kayo and abangan nyo yung aking upload bukas. Probably mga after lunchtime. Alright? So, ayan. So, subaybayan natin to. Malay natin magtagal din katulad ni Entelbest at pumaldo talaga tayo. Sa mga gustong sumali, pwede nyo gamitin yung aking link dyan sa baba. And if you have any question or you need any support, pwede nyo akong i-message or pwede kayong mag-comment dyan para matulungan ko kayo. Okay? So, again, invest only what you can afford to lose, and at the end of the day, decision nyo pa rin kung mag-invest kayo o hindi, because nobody's forcing you to do so. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow. Alright, bye for now.